U.S. President Donald Trump continues to voice his displeasure now that his travel ban is in limbo. Today, tweeting that it is time to blame the U.S. court system if there is a terror attack on U.S. soil. Trump says people from abroad could, quote, come pouring in.
The critics, and there are many from both overseas.
It is absurd, it is definitely harmful, and doubtlessly unconstitutional. It does not seem like it's something that should exist.
And demonstrators venting
Trump's gotta go! Trump's gotta go!
near Trump's plush Florida getaway, Mar-a-Lago.
Donald Trump right now is scaring me that he thinks he can do whatever he wants just because he's president.
As president, Donald Trump's executive orders have the same power as U.S. laws, but they are open to legal challenge. Trump is furious that the Washington State Attorney General and a handful of other states are successfully using the court system to block his travel ban. Most recently, Trump fired off a tweet that reads, "What is our country coming to when a judge can halt a Homeland Security ban and anyone, even with bad intentions, can come into the U.S.?" Washington State's Attorney General says bluntly, no one is above the law, not even the U.S. president. Trump's vice president has entered the fray.
We're very confident the president's operating within his authority as president, both under the Constitution and under clear statutory law. That's what's so frustrating about the decision.
But it is not so clearly defined, despite coming from the highest office in the U.S. The Ninth Circuit U.S. Court of Appeals in San Francisco made an initial ruling against the Trump administration, making sure Trump's travel ban remains suspended for now. The two sides will file additional court briefs later Monday. For thousands of people abroad, including many displaced by years of war in Syria, it is clear which side they are polling for.
Our situation in Syria was extremely bad. My house was burned and my family and I were displaced. We lived on the streets for a while. Now I am encouraged, and this step is encouraging to try to expedite my process.
And if the Trump administration loses the next round in courts, expect the fight to go to the U.S. Supreme Court, which will have the final say. Some are suggesting Trump instead alter his executive order to appease critics. But those same people point out that this president has a powerful ego, and he could dig his heels in for a prolonged legal battle. Susan?
We will know soon. Sean Calebs, thank you for that.